Today we're going to talk about this beauty, Ignite from Jon Renau. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. This is Ignite. My name's Sparky Sparks and I review hair. And this was my very first wig. Oh my goodness. I had her in Palm Springs Blonde, but I recently got her in this, my new favorite color, Strawberry Syrup. You've seen me in a ton of Jon Renau styles in this color, and this did not disappoint. Oh my goodness, check out these highlights. I have some pictures here I'll post so you see it in the bright sunlight, but just gorgeous. Today we're in my new studio here in San Diego area, and I'm just thrilled to have you join me today. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please tap the button there and ring the bell so you'll get new any notifications when I have new posts. I'm so glad you're here today. So I started wearing wigs because I have hair loss. So as I've aged, my hair has gotten thinner and thinner and thinner. Now I'm going to show you my hair. It's been underneath a wig grip. And some people would say, you know, Sparky, it's super cute. You should just wear it like that. Okay, so a choice between this or what I just had on, I choose Ignite. It's because it's perfect and it's gorgeous. So this is how my hair looks. It's thinning, it's got some gray in it. I intentionally keep it short now because, you know, I want to be able to look in the mirror when I'm not wearing a wig and have some sort of semblance of organization here. I'm not quite ready yet to shave my head, but many people do. So we'll see. Stay tuned because maybe that's something we'll do together. Let's talk about this beautiful wig. This is Ignite, and the color is Strawberry Syrup. I'm in love with strawberry syrup. There's something about it with the highlights. Jon Renau was able to bring out all these gorgeous colors. And then I love the face framing highlights. And we're gonna put this on and we'll style it on my head and you'll see some ideas here. So what I'd like to do is look on the inside. You can see this part is open wefted and stretchy. We've got ear tabs here at the nape. This is velvet. And you pull on these if you wanna make it tighter or looser. Here is the free parting space right here in the front. So this is what's gonna give it the illusion of coming right out of my scalp. Now this is all just kind of a basic cap, but it's perfect because the way this is all organized here, it gives me the lift that I won't ever get with this hair. If I'd have to use something like Got to Be Glued, I think, to make this stand up, which I'm not interested in, especially since I have a wig that'll do that. Now I'm gonna show you how I put on a wig. A lot of you are gonna think, well, you've got short hair, you can put the wig on just like that. And sure, I could, but I'm gonna show you why I don't, so that if you're curious, and if this could be you, if I put this wig on, my hair is slippery. So I'm gonna put the hair on and we're gonna organize it. Now, I like to play with my hair, especially when it's soft like this. And you can already see, I can see in the camera, I can't feel this, but it's moving, hasn't it? It's moved. So if you're wearing a wig and it's constantly moving and you're constantly adjusting it, it's not gonna give the illusion of reality first. And it's just gonna give you a headache. It's also gonna give you friction on your own hair, which is gonna cause rubbing, which causes hair loss additionally. So it's just a vicious circle, isn't it? So I have a solution. I use a combination wig cap, wig grip. And what I do, this is, the combination, the cap will contain all of my hair. So I'm gonna set it up in the middle so we can just do that. And then it is velvet all the way around here. This gives it an illusion of part if you wanted to set it up that way. This is velvet, so it feels kind of like a cat's tongue. So it has friction this way and smooth this way. So when you see me water ski in a wig, I have not glued it down. I simply have this combination wig cap, wig grip. The other thing that wearing the cap does is it keeps the natural oils from my hair away from the inside of this wig. So instead of having to wash my wig because I've been sweaty or whatever, this kind of contains everything and protects my own hair from any of the rubbing or friction. So I think that's super helpful. Now, if you're new to wigs and this is your first time putting a wig on, you're gonna use this part, the lace part, is gonna land, I like to say, on your eyebrow bone, because it gives it something to hold on to as we're putting it on. A lot of you may not have eyebrows anymore, and when I say land it on your eyebrow, you may say, I don't have eyebrows. No, but you have a bone here. So let that bone help you guide the wig to land here. We'll adjust after it's on. I think it's a lot easier. That's trial and error. The other thing I'd like to recommend is I have a book that I wrote called Wig Wisdom, and the link is down below. The book will tell you step by step how to do this. So if you don't want to refer back to a video and see what I said about wig wearing, you can go to my book in the back section, and it will talk about all these things. Very basic wig how-to book. Again, it's called Wig Wisdom, and I'll link it down below, and you'll see it right here. So I'll put it up here so you can see what it looks like if you're trying to order it. Now, I'm gonna hold the tag in the back, and I'm gonna put my forehead and my eyebrows on that. I'm gonna pull this down over the nape of my neck, right back here. So it's all nice and neat. Now it's a little bit snug because it's too far forward. So when you pop up and look in the mirror, you're gonna say, Sparky, that doesn't look right. No, it doesn't, because this space right here is called a forehead. We should be able to put 4 fingers here. So we're gonna adjust that. We use the ear tabs. Just pull it up so that you have 4 fingers from your brow bone to the hairline. So just about, it's an estimate. We don't need a ruler. We just see if that's about 4 fingers to where that hairline starts. So that'll give us an idea that we're in the general space. Now, because this wig has lace right here, we can part it in the middle if we want to. We can part it over here on this side. Now, unlike your natural hair, parting it on the opposite side or in any place that you don't normally part it isn't gonna feel like anything, because these aren't our hair fibers. So even though you may always wear your hair parted on this side, it's kind of fun to try it on another side. So that's what I like to do from time to time. And it'll also give a little more of a bump to the hair when you switch it up. So that's how easy putting on Ignite is. I like to pull a little bit here, and it's so pretty. This just gets better with wearing. I'm telling you, it just gets really easy to manipulate the fibers as they get worn. They need some breaking in, really. So that's Ignite. If you have any questions, please drop them here in the comments. I answer questions all the time. If you need help with wig wearing, I'm here for you. I also have a website called An Affair with Hair, and that's listed here. Let's get to know each other. Join me on this great journey. If you're experiencing hair loss, you're not alone. I've been there. I have done this now full-time for 2 years, wearing wigs, almost 3 years, but full-time wearing them every day for 2 years. And I'll tell you, I wouldn't go back to wearing my own hair. I get lots of compliments on these wigs. If you want to stick with one style and one look, you can do that, or you can switch it up. But it's a fun process, and it is just the best decision I've ever made. I hope that's helpful. I look forward to you joining me on my next video, and we'll see what new hair I have. I always have new hair. Take care, my friends. Mwah. Cheers.